Community development and permitting agencies provide critical oversight to support growth and planning, health and safety, and long-term sustainability. Timely permitting workflows, fee collection, and effective communications can make all the difference to the local businesses, contractors, and residents in your community. Keeping pace with demand can feel like an impossible task as agencies struggle with application backlogs, resource constraints, and a lack of transparency, resulting in frustrated customers. Cityworks PLL is the leading GIS-centric solution for community development, permitting, and licensing. Cityworks is designed to help you simplify the permitting and planning process from start to finish. Cityworks PLL is built exclusively on Esri ArcGIS, giving office staff, field crews, and residents access to real-time project data. Configurable templates allow you to easily manage tasks, including permit applications, plan submissions, inspections, code enforcement, utility permitting, regulatory compliance, business licensing, and more. Cityworks eliminates the need for physical paperwork by organizing application, permitting, and licensing workflows in one digital location. An online public portal allows businesses, contractors, and residents to submit applications, schedule inspections, pay fees, and track status updates at their convenience. Mobile tools support your field crews as they perform inspections and code enforcement activities. Dashboards provide analytics and transparency for both internal and external stakeholders, keeping everyone up to date and eliminating information silos. Cityworks PLL works seamlessly with our maintenance management software, enabling staff throughout the organization to easily share information with public works and utility crews, fostering effective communication, seamless workflow handoffs, and informed decision-making to help manage infrastructure throughout the entire asset lifecycle. The results? More transparency, improved efficiency, and satisfied customers, allowing you to get back to what you do best, supporting the growth, health, and safety of your community.